Hey everybody, this is Zach Bisgeier with Core Property Group here in Boston, and today we're talking about the Federal Reserve's newest job report that came out just this morning. Now, if you've been paying attention at all to anything going on in the world recently, then you already know that the Federal Reserve is out there trying to fight inflation by raising interest rates. They raised rates by 75 basis points last month, and they're expected to raise them again by 125 basis points, or 1.25% by the end of this year. And when asked last month about their plan for continuing to raise rates in the future, Fed Chair Jerome Powell told us that the Fed would need to see three things before they started to back off: continued slow growth in the economy, clear evidence that inflation was moving back down towards 2%, and a modest increase to unemployment. So that brings us back to today's jobs report. Did we see any increase to unemployment, modest or otherwise? No. Actually, what we saw was unemployment come down from 3.7% in August to 3.5% in September. So what does this mean going forward? And more importantly, what does this mean for the housing market? Well, first off, the stock market was red today, pricing in the expectations of the next 75 basis point hike coming in. And the job report today is probably only going to cement the Fed's plans to continue to raise rates into the new year. Now, even though they're not tied directly together, mortgage rates will probably continue to go up alongside interest rates. Remember that the Fed wants to slow down the economy, so that means they want you to spend less money, and they want to make it harder for you to borrow money to spend. So this job report itself, it's probably not going to spook people out too much unless they're really paying attention to what's going on. But increasing rates and no end in sight to inflation are definitely adding fear to the housing market. I'm not going to go into the specifics of exactly what's going on here in the Boston market right now. I'm going to do that in my next video. But I think there's definitely some softening of the market coming. So make sure you're getting educated. Make sure you're surrounding yourself with people who can help you take advantage of current conditions. And even though I do think there is some pain coming for the housing market, remember, with pain comes a lot of opportunity, and you're going to want to be able to take advantage of that. So with that being said, guys, thank you for watching. I'll be putting out a ton more content like this going forward, starting with my September market report for the Boston real estate market next week. So if you enjoy content like this, please let me know by liking this video or leaving a comment below. You can subscribe to my channel for more. But for now, I'm Zach Bisgeier, and I will see you in the next video.